Noodle in Thai is sen. Thai food is not just about rice. We also have sen, or delicious noodle dishes that never get us bored. Let's start with the chewy but tender texture of white noodle orก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือ. Good bite-sized meat, plump meatball, pour that hot thick soup over, and with a hint of spicy taste, perfect. Here comes another noodle dish that we Thais love. Yam woon sen, glass noodle, sticky and chewy. It goes very well with Thai spice dressing called nam yam. Mix in some fresh seafood. I mean, just thinking about it makes my mouth water already. Last but not least, Pad Thai. You must come to Thailand and try the way we Thais eat Pad Thai. The unforgettable taste from the fresh ingredients of nam mะขามเปียก น้ำตาลปึก and น้ำปลา. That sweet and sour sauce with chewy noodle, it is simply the best of the best. There are still so many Thai noodle dishes that we want you to try. Thai cuisine, delicious every day. Try it and you will truly understand the everyday Thai taste. Come try.